The action camera world has been on fire lately, with giants like DJI and GoPro constantly pushing boundaries in innovation and performance. Now, with DJI gearing up to shake the 360 degrees camera market with the Osmo 360, all eyes are on Insta360 to deliver a game-changer of its own. Enter the Insta360 X5, a camera that hasn't even hit the shelves yet, but is already sparking massive excitement among creators and adventurers alike. One of the most exciting areas where Insta360 appears to be innovating is in the durability and protection of its camera lenses, a critical factor for 360 degrees cameras. The Insta360 X4 introduced removable lens guards, offering basic protection akin to UV filters on traditional cameras. However, rumors suggest the X5 is set to elevate this concept with advanced lens protection designed to safeguard its exposed lenses while maintaining its ability to capture stunning 360 degrees footage. This innovation could address a long-standing pain point for users. The unique rounded design of 360 degrees lenses makes them highly vulnerable to scratches and damage, and replacements can be both costly and complicated. By integrating robust yet user-friendly protective measures, Insta360 could make the X5 a go-to choice for adventurers and creators who often shoot in rugged, unpredictable environments. Balancing this durability with the sleek, portable design that made the X4 a hit will be crucial for the X5's success. Beyond durability, the X5's rumored performance upgrades are equally compelling. A potential shift from a 0.5-inch sensor to a larger 1-inch sensor could revolutionize its imaging capabilities. This upgrade would allow the X5 to capture more light, leading to improved low-light performance and enhanced overall image quality. While the X4 already impresses with 22 megapixel images in 360 degrees mode and 18 megapixel in directional mode, the X5's new sensor could take these features to professional-grade levels, offering sharper visuals with greater detail and clarity. Rumored enhancements for the Insta360 X5 suggest it could address some of the most common limitations of action cameras, potentially setting a new standard in the 360 degrees market. One major improvement is expected in audio quality, historically a weak point for many action cameras. Inspired by AI-powered noise cancellation and smart audio technology seen in devices like the iPhone 16, the X5 could deliver clear and immersive sound even in challenging environments like windy mountaintops or bustling cities. This would make the X5 a powerful tool for creators who need high-quality audio to complement stunning visuals. For travel vloggers, extreme sports enthusiasts, and professionals alike, this improvement would elevate the immersive quality of their content. Another exciting possibility is the inclusion of GPS tracking, a feature recently popularized by the GoPro Hero 13. GPS tracking could allow users to geotag their photos and videos, creating immersive timelines and interactive maps. This would be a game-changer for travel vloggers, outdoor adventurers, and creators aiming to add a compelling narrative to their content. By enabling creators to map their journeys and tell more dynamic stories, the X5 could appeal to both professional-grade users and everyday hobbyists. Reliability is another area where the X5 could shine. Action cameras often suffer from overheating during extended high-definition recording sessions, leading to interruptions. The X5 is rumored to include an advanced cooling mechanism, potentially inspired by the GoPro Hero 13's heatsink design. This innovation could enable longer recording sessions without the risk of overheating, while improved power efficiency could reduce battery replacement frequency, making it a dependable companion for long-form projects like sports events or outdoor adventures. However, success isn't guaranteed. With competitors like DJI's Osmo 360 and GoPro's Hero 13 pushing the envelope, Insta360 faces fierce competition. Delivering these rumored features while maintaining user-friendliness and accessibility will be critical. Pricing, expected to range between $499 and $599, will also play a pivotal role, as users will demand significant value for their investment in such a competitive market. What sets Insta360 apart is its legacy of innovation and its commitment to intuitive, user-centric design. If the X5 can deliver on even a majority of the rumored upgrades, while preserving the sleekness, simplicity, and ease of use of its predecessors. It could redefine what's possible with 360 degrees cameras. For now, all eyes are on Insta360 as we await official announcements. According to Brian Haynes from Storyteller Tech, it's expected to release in December 2025. If the X5 lives up to its potential, it could solidify the company's position as a leader in the 360 degrees camera market, offering a device that's versatile enough for professionals while remaining accessible to hobbyists. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the exciting rumors surrounding the Insta360 X5. With potential features like a larger sensor, improved audio, GPS tracking, and advanced thermal management, this camera could redefine what's possible in 360 degrees content creation. What are you most excited about? Let us know your thoughts and wish list in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to stay updated on all the latest Insta360 news, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future updates and reviews.